Welcome to Core English Plus. This is a Core English Plus practice video for restaurant sentences, using Repeat After Me. This video can be used as itself or as a companion video to Core English Level 2, Expanding English Sentences. Today we will practice simple sentences you can use in a restaurant. Listen, then repeat after me. Table for two, please. Repeat after me. Table for two, please. I'd like water, please. Repeat after me. I'd like water, please. Can I see the menu? Repeat after me. Can I see the menu? I'd like the chicken, please. Repeat after me. I'd like the chicken, please. The soup is good. Repeat after me. The soup is good. How much is it? Repeat after me. How much is it? Thank you very much. Repeat after me. Thank you very much. Check, please. Repeat after me. Check, please. I'd like the pasta, please. Repeat after me. I'd like the pasta, please. Can you pass the salt? Repeat after me. Can you pass the salt? I want the salad. Repeat after me. I want the salad. This is delicious. Repeat after me. This is delicious. Can I have some bread? Repeat after me. Can I have some bread? The food is hot. Repeat after me. The food is hot. I like the rice. Repeat after me. I like the rice. Where's the bathroom? Repeat after me. Where's the bathroom? We are ready to order. Repeat after me. We are ready to order. Bring the coffee, please. Repeat after me. Bring the coffee, please. It is very tasty. Repeat after me. It is very tasty. Goodbye and thank you. Repeat after me. Goodbye and thank you. Now listen and repeat all the sentences one more time at normal speed. Table for two, please. I'd like water, please. Can I see the menu? I'd like the chicken, please. The soup is good. How much is it? Thank you very much. Check, please. I'd like the pasta, please. Can you pass the salt? I want the salad. This is delicious. Can I have some bread? The food is hot. I like the rice. Where's the bathroom? We are ready to order. Bring the coffee, please. It is very tasty. Goodbye and thank you. Great work. You have practiced real level 2 sentences for the restaurant. This is Core English Plus. Like and subscribe for more simple speaking practice. See you in the next lesson.